My hair is still wet from the rain.
Is it?
Yeah.
You get a haircut tomorrow.
Yeah, I cannot wait. Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven. We are Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline, and here on this channel we see makeup as fun, creative, magical, and for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely think about hitting that subscribe button. So today we've got another palette, something that has been long awaited.
Yes, it's the GLAMLITE Mikayla collab. Looks like
Look how cute the outside is.
You've probably seen it. Yeah, always interested in trying GLAMLITE, but the packaging.
You like it or you don't like it?
I like this packaging.
Not the burgers.
I don't know, like a giant burger that's got a sponge on it. Why? I don't mind the cake. Like, the cake is okay, but I don't like cutesy.
Yeah,
no,
I
don't.
agree.
I like Hello Kitty, but I don't like a taco. I don't like theme.
Yeah.
No. Anyway, but GLAMLITE is supposed to be an amazing brand. Every YouTuber raves about the formula. I had to try this because the packaging's really cute. And it looks like this.
The drama.
There you go. So Mikayla, if you don't know Mikayla, I don't know why you don't. She's a TikTok star. And
Yeah.
I don't even use TikTok, but I know Mikayla. She's from Boston, and she used to work at Ulta like a year ago, and then she just took off.
She just blew up.
Blew up. And she's got the cutest accent, which is Bostonian. And so some of the colors have like very Bostonian names.
Oh.
Like, yeah.
Okay,
Like,
okay.
in her accent, like Portuguese.
Right.
People go, I heard some people say Portuguese? No, Portuguese. Because there's there's a huge Portuguese community in New England because of the lobster trade, you know? Yeah, and like buffalo chicken, that's from Buffalo, but what's poppin' and how you doing? This one, Nas. I don't even know what that means. I don't know what that means. But anyway, cute colors.
Yeah.
And yeah, well, we gotta figure out what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we're gonna try it out. Have you tried it before?
Nope.
Okay, first impressions.
First impressions, first try. She has a top row that's kind of neutral and like, so that you could ease yourself into the color. So I think I'm gonna go a little neutral and then pop some color.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go yellow because I've never done a yellow look on the YouTube. So yellow and like this little bit of green. I kind of taken inspo from this look that Posfoemu did. I'll put it up here. Sort of take inspo from that and see what happens.
I'll start in the beginning with Harley. And I'm gonna then go into how you doing.
I'm gonna go into Handy, which is like the bright yellow. Ooh. And just lay it down as a base.
Do you like my earrings?
Yeah, I do. Where are those from?
These are what I've seen on Britney Spears.
Oh, it's Britney, bitch?
Yeah. It's, they're from White Trash Jewelry.
Oh, that white trash one. Isn't that where Sex and the City has some?
Yes. And, yeah, as we film this, no justice for Britney.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I have eyelash glue from yesterday in my eyelashes. Oh, no.
This is like an interesting color. It's cooler tone than I thought.
I feel like yellow eyeshadow is one of those things like you don't think to do, but then when you do, it's really cute.
I find yellow very difficult to work with.
Yeah. It's thin. Like
yeah, it's thin. I was just going to say that. It's like yellow paint.
Yes.
Knowing what I know about paint and pigment, it's really hard to make yellow paint. You always have to do like 8 million coats of it. Like if you're doing pure yellow. I'm deepening it with how you doing. How you doing? Portuguese is my favorite. Stunning. And then stunning. Right beside it is green. Portuguese is a purple. Stunning is a green. I love purple and green together.
Reminds me of Barney, though.
Oh, jeez. Maybe that's why I love it. Yeah, everything's coming back. There's something going on with the Spice Girls.
Is
like
there?
they're having like a Spice Girls theme park or something. Now I'm going to deepen with Willow. I don't know the meaning of all these names, so there must be some Mikayla video out there. She's not a YouTuber as far as I know, but there must be something where she explains them, and I'm sure it's the most entertaining video ever.
Yeah, she's so funny.
She's such a good makeup artist too, because how she burst into the scene of TikTok makeup videos, because she had, you know, a little bit of skin acne, you know, and she covered it up.
Yeah,
I was like,
so well.
insane.
That's how I saw her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these come out cooler tone than they look on the...
They look so warm.
Yeah.
I'm going in with Loop, which is like sort of a limey green. I don't actually know why I'm doing that, but I am. Just sort of to, I guess, add some different dimension. Put it along the lash line. Then I want to create like some depth. So I might go in with How Ya Doing.
How you doing?
How ya doing?
I don't know if it's as deep as you might think. I think that the shade Willow is the deepest shade.
Yeah. Is it purple that you know?
Yeah, it's almost purple.
Oh no. I was
And
going to try and use that.
You've got to like build it up here. I'm surprised. I did swatch out some of the shimmers and they're insane.
Yeah, I think that's the standout.
Yeah.
With these.
I'm going to go into Manifest. It's this purpley, beautiful, shifty shade.
I'm going to take Willow because it's the darkest and I want to have some darkness on the outer edges, but I'm nervous because purple and yellow are like opposites, so they might mix. Generally, you don't want to mix it because it's going to get all muddy and brown.
I'm telling you, if you make a ginormous palette, you should always have a black.
Yeah, but my thought is I kind of want a brown, so if it muddies it up, it's okay.
This goes with my hair beautifully.
I'm having troubles. Why did I try and do yellow? I have regrets.
I always have regrets when I do yellow. Always.
It's like, what do I blend with it? What do I want to do here? Ugh.
I am putting Nas in the middle just because it's a lighter disco ball shade. Are you struggling?
Yeah, it's not struggling. It's
It
not
always comes
blending
together.
in. Yeah, it does, I guess.
It's not blending?
No.
Why?
It's a patch that won't blend. I'm going to try a different brush.
Okay, I'm going to do my under eye, and that's where I'm going to go bright. And so I'm going to use Pat 2. And that's a really bright magenta.
There's a lot of kick up and a little bit of fallout, so just be careful to like do lots of taps. Maybe it's just the mattes, but
Yeah, it's just the mattes. And then right beside it is that kind of Robin's Egg blue roadie. It's a blue. I'll put it right in the center. Oh, it looks nice.
it's just weird. It's just not blended properly. It's all like patchy and blah, blah. Well, I find like grungy tones like this, it became kind of grungy because of the brown and yellow, just tend to be more difficult to get like a seamless blend. I'm just taking the yellow handy and just sort of putting it on the top of that darker blend. Okay, I'm going to go in with Stunnin'.
Stunning is what you should be doing. Stunning. It's stunning. I'm into lately doing like your inner corner rather than a shimmer, like a bright matte.
Oh yeah, I like that.
It's a really cute look. Mikayla also, with this GLAMLITE collection, she's got some eyelashes,
Oh,
but they're too much.
too much. I'm sure they're too much for me too.
Yeah.
Okay, this is coming together a little bit.
I know the mascara will do it justice. I think I'm done.
I might just add a bit of another shimmer. What's poppin'? I'm so bad at accents.
What's poppin'?
What's poppin'?
What's poppin'? Stunning, bonehead, simping, iconic, the best color.
So what one's? Oh yeah, I agree.
Ooh, I like like this palette. It's so pretty.
What's poppin'?
Free Britney.
Yeah.
Put Cosby back in jail. Just saying. Just saying.
Maybe I will take just that matte yellow and put it in the inner corner instead of a shimmer.
I can see from the side it looks really good.
Okay, let's see how it looks with mascara and lashes. Okay, we're back.
Are you going in with bronzer?
I am. I wanted to just also pop a little bit of this ColourPop yellow gold liner in the waterline. Are you doing bronzer?
Yeah, I got my Patrick Ta. Patrick Ta. That almost sounds like it's from Boston. Patrick Ta.
Patrick Ta.
I'm going to start. I'm going to start. I don't believe in that.
I know you don't. The waterline?
The waterline is, yeah.
No, I want those from Ipsy. What am I saying? Etsy shop. Those multi-chrome eyeliners.
They say that they didn't test them in the waterline.
Oh.
That's why nobody's buying them.
Oh, that's why I wanted them for the waterline.
Yeah, nobody's buying them.
Oh.
And you wouldn't even be, the waterline, who looks in your waterline?
It makes the look come together. So I was saying off camera, like, I really like how this turned out. It reminds me of the 420, like something I would make with the 420 palette from Melt. But yellows are a weird thing because they never are like as yellow as they look in the pan. They like sheer out and become like eye drops yellow, you know?
They look like eye drops. I was wondering if you put like a really white base or something.
Probably. I think that would help. Or if anyone's used the Honey ColourPop, like a little yellow palette, I feel like that was kind of good, but...
The ColourPop Hello Kitty has a yellow.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll have to test.
We're going to do a Hello Kitty. We got the Hello Kitties from ColourPop. What else did I get? I got some BH Cosmetics, and I think we'll pull those out this summer. Really fun ones. I got the Los Angeles palette. It's kind of like pastels. And then I got a couple of the ones, you know, that had all those obscene names on them.
Like what?
Well, they had an F off one. I didn't get that one. I got another one.
Obscene names.
Obscene! They had obscenities. I don't know what their shtick was. But I got a purpley one and a pinky one. It's cool. But I forget what they're called. BH Cosmetics. That's like a good brand, guys. Because it's really inexpensive and like their formula is really good. If you're interested in playing with color and you don't want to go the Morphe route.
Yeah.
Which I get, because Morphe's got just these giant, it's confusing. And I don't know why people hate Morphe per se, because I'm keeping out of it. I'm keeping out of that fight. But yeah, I prefer like dabbling in ColourPop, and BH Cosmetics is a company I really love for that kind of thing. Exploring your color, you know?
Mm-hmm. I haven't tried anything from them before. So.
Yeah, you have.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, the blue ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh,
so BH Cosmetics just restocked their candy shop palettes.
Oh.
And those are the best, guys, if you want to go on that and check those out. Anywho, yeah.
I'm breaking out. These lights aren't helping. Look at this.
It's a mask snee.
No, it's not. It's coming off the pill acne.
Somebody came off.
So if you have any advice for fighting breakouts, let me know, because I haven't had any in years. My skin's going to hopefully just be going through an adjustment period. Let me know in the comments down below if you have some suggestions. Anyway, lips. Finishing it off with the lips.
You know, I lost my freaking makeup cacao. I'm so mad that this Melt one is second best, I think. I forget what it's called.
I think I'm going to do a gloss today over this. I always forget about glosses as a thing.
You don't like gloss?
I don't know. But let's shake it up. Shake it up.
Okay, I'm going to dig into one of the new Kaleidos lip, whatever. Mahogany.
This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's old though. Smells fine. So on Tuesday, are you getting lip fillers too?
Oh, I don't know. Are we filming this?
I don't know.
I'm going to get the jewel lines filled in because I can't stand it when I'm walking in the wind and this drool comes down. I've had it done before. My whole face needs to be filled in and fluffed up. Zhuzhed.
Zhuzhed.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, these are the finished looks. What do you think? I think these shimmers are really pretty. I think I'd love to just play with the shimmers a lot. Mm-hmm. I think the mattes are mattes.
I like these, but I like these colors. They're cute.
I kind of like how there's like these little mini color stories, so you could do like work with these shimmers, and do you know what I mean? Like they're all cohesive. What I didn't like about that Lunar Beauty, like rainbowy palette was like, I'm like, how am I gonna blend? This adds like, there's darker ones, there's different tones, so you can just blend away. Mm-hmm. That's what I like to see in a palette. Thank you very much.
Me too. I like to see a black in a palette. There's no black here.
Yeah.
I'm probably the only person, it's an unpopular opinion, that you
it?
must put a black. If you're doing like a 9-pan palette, no.
Mm-hmm.
But if you have a massive palette like this,
yes,
just assume this is something someone's just gonna use all the time. Just assume that.
Yeah, okay, true, fair.
Put a black in it.
Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah.
Once I started my look, I was like, what's going on? But it always comes together in the end, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think this is cute. I would love to play with these purples and the blues and the best color. That's what it's called.
The best color.
The best color.
The best color.
I think I would love that color and agree. The minty green, blue. Beautiful. Yes.
Yeah. Thumbs up, Mikayla.
Thumbs up. We like it.
Yeah,
we like it.
We like you.
Let us know if you've ordered this palette, if you tried this palette or anything else from GLAMLITE, maybe the burger palette.
Yeah, tell us about your GLAMLITE experience because I would love to try more GLAMLITE.
Yeah.
And I would maybe try one of the cake ones, but
not the burger.
I just did the burger. One of our friends got the taco and she got the veggie slice and she really liked it.
Veggie slice?
Yeah, because it doesn't have pluff on it. She's embarrassed by the packaging too.
Well, yeah, anyway, let us know. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for some of that BH Cosmetics, that Hello Kitty.
The Hello Kitty, we're going to have because is a Hello Kitty a witch?
That's what you theorize.
I think she's a witch.
Hello Kitty, is she a witch?
Yeah. So her name is, Kitty White.
Oh.
Did you know that?
That sounds like a witch
Yeah,
name.
Kitty White.
A witch name.
Yeah, Kitty Marie White.
Oh, okay. Well, okay.
I didn't make that up, but it is a Kitty White.
By the way, these are Hello Kitty palettes from ColourPop, in case we didn't mention that.
You know the Hello Kitty. Cute colors coming out for summer. I think it's fun.
Yeah.
Guys.
Okay. Right. Have a good week. Stay witchy, stay bitchy, and we'll see you next time. Bye,
Bye,
witches.
witches.